Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your store name on Shopify. First, log into your Shopify admin panel, which is your central hub for managing everything. This quick process ensures your brand identity is consistently reflected across your entire store. We will cover each step clearly, making it simple for you to update your business's public face with confidence and ease. It is a straightforward adjustment that takes only a few moments. Once logged in, navigate your cursor to the lower left-hand side of your Shopify admin screen. You will clearly see the Settings button there. Click on this button to open the main settings menu for your store. This action takes you to an overview page where you can manage many different aspects of your online business, from shipping to payments and general store details. It is your main control panel for behind-the-scenes adjustments. Within the Settings menu, you need to click on Store Details. This section contains essential information about your business. Look for the Store Profile area, and you will find the Store Name field. Here, simply type your brand new name into the designated text box. You can also review other details like your legal business name or contact email address at this point, ensuring everything is up to date and accurate before proceeding to save. After entering your new store name, it is crucial to save your changes. Locate the Save button, which is typically found in the top right or bottom right corner of the page you are currently viewing. Click this button to officially update your store's information. Please be aware that it might take up to 24 hours for your new store name to fully reflect across all Shopify surfaces and associated services. Patience is key during this brief propagation period.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.